In the Data Roundtable. This is where we come together to talk about data, data science, AI, anything related to being a data professional. I'm here for it. I'm here to hold space, to facilitate, to talk, to answer. Whatever it is you want to do, you as the audience set the agenda. So I appreciate you joining me. We're keeping the streaming streak alive here, guys. I try to stream as much as possible, so here we are again on a Sunday. Hope that you're doing well. Hope that you are good and safe in your part of the world. What do you got going on? What are you doing to get ready for the week? I know for some people Sunday's the beginning of the week. So what do you got coming up this week? What are you doing to go just 1 mile more? Just increase your studying, your skills, your programming, whatever it is. What are you doing to go just 1 mile more? Let me know what that is for you. Let me know how you're doing. What are you reading? What's got you excited? What's the last good tool you use? What's the last bad tool you use? Plenty of bad tools out there, right? So I'm here for all of that. Let me know how you're doing. How are you? I am doing well. I had a long day yesterday. Geez, what a long day. I got stuck in traffic on the way home from LA yesterday. I was in LA for some meetings for a workshop with Google. I posted a couple of pictures from that on my Instagram. I was surprised how much attention that got. Geez, you guys really like those pictures. It's just a couple pictures at Google. But yeah, I was able to attend a workshop. I'm so grateful to the growth and the followers I've had on YouTube. And because of that, I have been given what's known as a YouTube community partner manager, I believe, because I'm part of some of the creator communities that YouTube has. And when you have a manager, they send you these different opportunities for you to attend. And they also do like boot camps and virtual workshops and contests and some things that I'm not supposed to talk about and things like that. But yeah, they presented me with an opportunity to come out to Google and to spend some time with them. So it was a really, really interesting workshop. If you are one of my one-on-one coaching clients, check your inbox because I did send out my notes on what I learned. I always share that stuff with my clients first, so that should be in your inboxes for all of you. But yeah, I just had a really good time there. Really was able to pick up some good information. The trick to these workshops, guys, the trick to these workshops is you gotta be able to have a good filter and be able to say, oh yeah, that speaker was good, or that tool looks good. I'm gonna, I'm gonna connect with that person. I'm gonna spend some time with that. And some other stuff you gotta say, I'm gonna I'm gonna set it aside for now, right? So I picked up some good things, some made some good connections, and gonna execute some of the things that I heard about. So you'll see that coming out of my content. Um, if you're one of my coaching clients and something that I've said in today's notes caught your attention, let me know. We can certainly talk about it. But yeah, I had a really, really beneficial workshop. Was really able to pick up on some things that I'm going to do. It's always when you go to these, you also kind of pick up some of the trends that are coming up or different things that people are working on, looking at, so on and so forth. So really grateful that I was able to do that and kind of understand where some of these things are headed with AI, with marketing, with Google itself. There was an excellent, excellent presentation given by a Google director that I really enjoyed a lot. So you'll see me posting some of that content in the coming weeks. But yeah, so happy to share some of that information for anybody that's interested as far as discussing that one-on-one. You can find the link in my bio. But that was a big part of my weekend. I went out there on Friday morning. I came back yesterday, Saturday. I grew up in LA, so going to LA is no big whoop for me. I know the streets, I know the highways, so I know the traffic, even though the traffic's terrible. But yeah, went out there to the west side. I was basically out in the LAX Marina Del Rey area for the couple days. Came home yesterday, picked up my dog from boarding, and now I'm back home, back with you guys. All right, guys, so I'm going to switch over to Instagram. Feel free to follow me over there. But as always, feel free, please take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you again tomorrow.